Our innovation is unique for many reasons. Firstly, we mainly target the non-traditional educational needs for the minority youth in Suriname between the ages of 16 and 24 years, which aims to have an auxiliary function to the traditional education. Secondly, the level of accessibility that will exist. The courses will be available with sign language and subtitles of various dialects used in Suriname. Furthermore, through certain methods, certain aspects of the courses can be done offline to maximize interaction, for example, through the use of a mobile application. Also, through strategic partnerships, those who do not have access to the necessary ICT infrastructure will be able to take part in the courses at ICT rooms of community-based organizations and schools. This has not yet been done locally in such a manner.
We are extremely grateful for the feedback received from all stakeholders as of yet. We started implementing certain feedback we received in Phase 2. However, we would like to further gamify the learning experience by making it more engaging through quizzes, badges or trophies, certificates of completion, periodic challenges with scoreboards, and Q&A with facilitators. Other changes to the website that will be implemented are subtitles, sign language, documentation of the courses to make it accessible to broader audience.
Success of our innovation is achieved by an increase in the resilience of our target youth. This is measured through the evaluation forms of each course, the ratings given by the participants, and the number of participants completing the course. Some of the other measurements will be listed here on screen. Various phases will be planned out for each specific objective. The first phase is creating a mature website, identifying and ensuring the enrollment of a cohort of youth in courses developed based on their needs. Phase 2 is evaluating the first cohort and creating sustainable and strategic partnerships with stakeholders to expand our services. This dynamic process will be continuously monitored and evaluated and is subject to change.
We will list a few resources and key partners here on the screen. Human resources are required, varying from professional in web development to facilitators regarding the topic of the relevant courses, but also technological equipment necessary to assist with equipping the ICT rooms that will be used. Resources to develop, maintain, and fine-tune the courses are also necessary.
The next stage of our innovation, with adequate time, we see ourselves producing a fully functioning website with all the bells and whistles mentioned earlier. Furthermore, designing more elaborate versions of the courses and taking necessary steps in the financial sustainability of the innovation, ensuring flow of revenue and income through advertisements, donations, and course fees. The latter will be done while ensuring that minority youth have no financial barriers accessing the platform.
Not only does our innovation have the potential to integrate with planned projects such as our summer school, climate change, and the education on pregnancy and sexually transmitted diseases, but also unforeseen procedures such as natural disasters and emergency help, to name a few. The website can, with some specific tailoring, function as our NS main e-learning platform to increase the capacity building of not only our volunteers, but also assist with the digital transformation of our first aid service and other services to businesses.
Foreseeable challenges are the lack of internet access, funding, and facilitators. We will adapt by partnering up with strategic stakeholders such as our local internet provider and facilitators so we can ensure the website will run without a paid data bundle and can have more courses integrated. Furthermore, for funding, we will have donations, fundraisers, and web advertisement, to name a few ways to increase the funding for the maintenance of our e-learning platform.